here.
Pigeon here.
And today we have an extra special adventure planned because we are going to be roller skating in reflective suits.
Pew, pew, pew.
A question we get asked a lot, I know this is how every episode starts, but it's true. A question we get asked all the time is, what do I wear when I'm roller skating? And you know, the truth is that roller skating and fashion are very closely tied together. Would you agree, Pigeon?
Yeah, definitely.
Tonight, we are trying one of the most functional pieces of clothing you could possibly have, especially while you're skating at night, and that is the ultra reflective suit. So here we have Pigeon wearing the tops, and I have on the bottoms, yeah? And I don't know if you can tell right now, you will be able to tell very soon, but these are like insanely reflective.
We look like a floating light bulb. Fashion.
Okay, so we got our reflective suit, and then today we went on a little shopping spree at Forever 21 to complete our outfits. And so I found this reflective NASA sweater. You know, it's a little chilly tonight, so I needed some layers. Also, my grandparents worked at NASA, so it's really close to my heart. The Planet Roller Skate theme and concept was based on the stars in the heavens and space travel, so I felt it was really appropriate to bring in this NASA sweater to go with my reflective pants. But here's the secret though, when it comes to skate fashion, is I have on the leotard. Full body suit under this. All the way. I'm not gonna get too low there because I have on underwear. because when I shoot the duck, I don't want my butt crack hanging out.
Oh, okay.
Life hack for roller skaters. The bodysuit, even if it's just like a layer under your other clothes, is a lifesaver because butt cracks are like my struggle. Or with
whale
skate
tail.
clothes. Yeah, whale tail is a thing. Do you have any like hacks for clothes? Like, what do you actually like to wear when you're skating?
I really like the knee-high socks, which is super standard, but there's a reason. Not only does it keep me warm, but if I were to say fall, that thick sock protects my entire bottom half of my leg. And
She calls them her California pants.
My California pants, okay? We always want to be in shorts, so if it gets cold out, put on your California pants. They only go up to your knees.
And most of your legs are already covered. You got your shorts, your California pants are good to go.
Yeah.
Anyways, but tonight we're focusing on these reflective suits. And really, we just want to goof around, go roller skating in our suits, and see what it looks like. Because I think it's going to be pretty insane. Oh, okay, so I chose these skates tonight. These are the matte black Impala skates. They come in at $99, and I chose these because I really wanted like something that didn't distract from my reflective pants. So I wanted like the accents of
black
color.
on black on black.
And these are like ultra matte, like the best eyeliner you've ever gotten, ultra matte. Like if this was an eyeliner, your cat eyes and like those wings would be perfect.
Okay, in my skates, I'm wearing my Moxie jack boots in Honeydew. I wear these because these are the only things I wear.
All right, let's skate. I want to skate. Enough about clothes. This is fun. But
all right, let's roll.
Whoa!
Come a little closer, Pigeon. Come a little closer.
Whoa!
I'm gonna use your shoulder.
You look so cool.
Keep going, keep going.
Stretch matters. Yeah. Tried the reflective pants tonight. Now I know why I gotta stick to the stretch. I hope my mom's not mad at me for being immodest.
Rip.
I'm so embarrassed.
Oh my god, this looks so sick. Oh my God, Pigeon.
Try to keep up. She's fast. You can get her.
Get her?
Yeah, get her.
Okay, go. Oh my God.
She's an elbow right here.
I'm on your. Oh my God.
Oh man, thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Planet Roller Skate.
It was fun.
It was a lot of fun. I've learned some lessons.
Stretchy clothes.
This is a little bit getting some air down there right now. So we definitely put these reflective suits to the test. I would absolutely 100% recommend tops, but you know, it's not really a super giving material, so the bottoms.
Yeah, I'm like, ugh.
But hey, nobody's gonna miss us skating through the streets. Any headlights that shine on us, we're gonna be safe and
Scene.
yeah, definitely an attention grabber. But make sure you wear something under if you go with the pants option. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Planet Roller Skate. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell so you get all the notifications. Hit up planetrollerskate.shop for everything you need from helmet to toe stop. And until next time,
Later,
later skaters!